Hi everybody, I'm Vanshika from Pink Legal and we are doing a 3-part series on domestic violence. In this video, we will be telling you what domestic violence is and the various laws in India which cover domestic violence. So let us start by trying to understand what domestic violence is. So a lot of us have this very narrow perception that it is only acts of physical injury or in situations where an injury has been inflicted upon the victim that domestic violence has occurred. But that is not true. So legally, there are 4 types of domestic violence. The first one is obviously physical abuse, which includes acts like slapping, beating, kicking, or inflicting a physical injury upon the woman. The second type is emotional abuse. So emotional abuse includes acts of taunting or abusing the woman, or even things like constantly pressurizing her to have a child, or a male child for that matter. So these things are included under emotional form of abuse. The third type is economic abuse. Understand that in most households in India, the woman either does not have an independent source of income or has an income which is less than her male counterpart. So in this situation, it is a duty of her husband to maintain her financially, and if the husband denies to provide her maintenance or takes away the property which is in her name or the jewelry which was given to her, that becomes economic form of abuse. The fourth and the last form of domestic abuse is sexual abuse. So any sexual act which degrades or violates the woman, forcing her to watch pornography or forcing her to indulge into a sexual activity when she is not willing to do so, comes under sexual abuse. So these are the 4 types of domestic abuse: physical abuse, emotional abuse, economic abuse, and sexual abuse. So now that we know what domestic violence is, let us move forward to understand the laws in India which cover domestic violence. So there are 2 main laws in this respect. The first one is the Domestic Violence Act, and the second one is section 498A of the IPC, which is also known as cruelty. Now, talking about the Domestic Violence Act first, this act is a very wide act and it grants protection to all women in India. So if you're single, married, widowed, divorced, you can still avail protection under this act. Now, who does this act protect you against? It protects you against violence inflicted by not only your husband or his relatives, but also from your own family or from your adoptive family if that's the case, or from your live-in partner. Now, when can you file a case under the Domestic Violence Act? So there are 2 necessary conditions or ingredients if you are to file a case under the Domestic Violence Act, and these conditions are indicated by the meaning of the word domestic itself. So the 2 conditions are that you should first have a relationship with the oppressor, and the second condition is that you should have a shared household with the oppressor. Now, what does having a shared household mean? It basically means that you should have lived in the same house with the oppressor at some point in time. If these conditions are met, you can very well go ahead and file a case under the Domestic Violence Act. Now, the second type of legislation is section 498A of the Indian Penal Code, or cruelty. Cruelty grants protection to only married women. So if you're a woman who's living in a live-in relationship or who's divorced, you cannot avail protection under section 498A of the IPC. Moving forward, who does it protect you against? So this section protects you against violence inflicted by your husband and his relatives or your in-laws only. It is basically a stricter law which is made for aggravated acts of domestic violence. Most cases of domestic violence in India are of a serious nature and therefore qualify for being filed again under section 498A as well. So that was it for this video. If you found this useful or if you have any questions that you would like us to address, please let us know in the comment box below. You can visit our Instagram page or our website www.pinklegal.in for more information on domestic violence and other laws which protect women in India. Please share this video with every woman you know so that we can be aware of our rights and be empowered to protect ourselves. We will be doing 2 more videos on other aspects of domestic violence, so stay tuned.